This video is going to be the Discovery Lab for chemical changes, and this is going to be stations 1 and 2 because the product that you get from station 1 needs to be used for station 2. So station 1, here's my setup. I've got a ring stand with a test tube clamp and a test tube that was capped. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a strip of magnesium metal and then into the test tube, and then pour 5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid onto this test tube. So this is going to be the first lab station that you have, is the reaction between the magnesium and the hydrochloric acid. And then the second reaction for station 2, I'm going to collect a product underneath of a test tube and then ignite underneath of that test tube for the second reaction. So that combustion of the product from station 1 is going to be part of the reaction for station 2. So I'm going to go ahead and insert in my magnesium metal, and I have 5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid already poured out. So I'm going to mix those two, and you can start to see the reaction taking place. The test tube feels very warm. And I'm going to cap this. So this is reaction 1 for station 1 taking place. I'm going to put this test tube over for my station 2. In a few seconds, the bubbling will stop because the magnesium has completely dissolved inside of the acid. And then the reaction for station 2, let me get a little wooden splint lit, is going to be taking place underneath this test tube. So listen closely. That is the reaction for station 2. If you look very closely to this clean test tube, you can kind of see condensation on the sides of that test tube, right about in the middle there. So those are your reactions and observations for the first and second stations of the Discovery Lab.